If your iPhone 13 camera is blurry, photos or videos not focusing properly, then here is a full guide to fix the blurry camera issues on iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the camera and clean the camera lenses. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the camera lens. Even fingerprints, dust, or smudges can blur your photos. Don't use alcohol or tissue paper, it can damage the coatings. After that, force close and reopen the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom or double press the home button. Swipe the camera away to close it and reopen the camera and check the focus again. If the issues is solved, then that's fine. If not, then go back to the home screen and tap on the settings app available there. Then, once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the software update and make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. Install any available updates. Some iOS versions had camera bugs that were fixed later. So now once done so, simply go back to the settings general again. Then tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset and tap on the reset all settings. This will fix all the issues, but if it does not, then contact the Apple support or hardware check it. The lens won't focus at all, you see internal lens movement or rattling, or only some lenses are blurry, then this could be a hardware issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.